What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and we're going to be going over what sold for me on the Amazon FBA account this week. So, if you like videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Also, a lot of the stuff that I sold is literally in these videos right here, guys. So, you can go back and watch them. I'm telling you guys exactly what I'm selling. So, I don't know if you're having a hard time with this, like, I don't know what to tell you. But, so this right here, I bought, I want to say, probably like 2-3 weeks ago, whatnot. I picked it up at the Goodwill for like $10 and sold for 87. Not bad at all. I picked all of these up right here for $5. I picked these up right here for $3. I picked these filters up right here for $3. That was actually my best selling product like ever so far. So if you can find those in your area, I highly recommend picking those up. This is those books that I sold over here. So the video I made where I told you guys literally how you guys can get free books and turn around and sell them. It is somewhere on the channel, whatever. You guys can look it up. But yeah, I told you guys exactly how you guys can get free books and stuff like that, and then literally turn around and sell them. I got this book 100% free, and it sold for $67. I picked this book up right here for $1. I picked these up right here for $2.50. Those some more filters, and then these right here are those royalty wood thingies or whatever, little stick things that I showed you guys in the last video. This video right here is $1,200 in one day. I'm pretty sure it was in that one. I showed you guys this, the exact product, me picking it up, the whole 9 yards. This right here I actually bought on my very first day, if I'm not mistaken. I want to say like I think it's like the first week I have bought this. So I've probably been holding on to this for like literally about a month or whatever. But like I said, guys, it's better to let everyone else sell out, and take pennies, and you come and get your product. I mean, then, you get the regular price or whatever. But yeah, so like that's what all that sold this week here. I got this book right here that sold. Pretty much all the books were about $1 or 50 cents to $1. And then this right here, this is from the Goodwill video I showed you guys, where I picked this thing up for $3 and it sold for 17.97. And obviously, there's FBA fees or whatever that go into it, but literally picking them up for like $2 or $3, and you're gonna be selling them for, like, as you can see, like, 15, 20, $30. Like, you cannot lose on that. But yeah, that is all that sold so far this week here. Very simple stuff. Oh, this little toy right here I picked up at Ross. So I'm literally telling you guys exactly where I get everything from and all this stuff. And I'm not really worried about, people copying, what I'm doing or whatever, because I'm not using Google Trends on this video or anything like that. So it's not like it's going to blow up like how the other video did. But yeah, guys, it's very simple. Like I said, I'm putting out here exactly what it is that I'm doing, what I'm selling. So, I'm telling you guys where I'm buying products from. Like literally the whole 9 years. I'm doing all the heavy lifting. All you got to do is go to Walmart and pick the stuff up now. All right. So, yeah, if you didn't watch this video yesterday, definitely make sure you go watch that. I actually put a little winning product in there as well, so that way you guys can go to the Goodwill and just keep buying this product over and over and over. If it's in your area, of course, you might have to travel to a few stores, but it is worth it. It's ranked 62, so that's really good. And they literally, like, just about everyone I've been to has this product, and they just sell out all damn day long. So you can definitely go and watch that video, see if you can find it in your area. But that is pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I really want everyone that watch my channel, all the people that are in Team DeAngelo, the people who, are just subscribers, I want everybody to be successful and whatnot, but I can lead you to the water, but I can't make you drink. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can give you all the tools, all the everything. It's like if it was a done for you campaign or whatever. Like, I can give you the landing pages, I can give you the tools, I can give you the ad placement, I can give you everything. In retail arbitrage, I can give you, the store I went to, the time I went there, what I purchased, the whole 9 yards. I can give you everything, but will not do the work for you. It's just that simple, right? And the best part about this whole Amazon FBA stuff, guys, is that literally you cannot fail in this. You cannot lose money in this. Like, I don't care what anyone says. You cannot lose money in this unless you choose to lose money. This is not like CPA or ClickBank, or direct sales or anything along those lines. Like any business where you actually have to go into the red to see the green. This, you are in green 100%, 100% of the time. No ifs, ands, or buts. Like, the only time you lose money is when you choose to lose money. When you start trying to get into bidding wars and you try lowering your price, and you don't calculate the shipping properly, or you forget about the fees, or whatever the case may be. Like, you have to choose to lose money with Amazon FBA, because you can always just get your stuff sent right back to you. And a lot of people are always scared, like, oh, what if it doesn't sell? What if the product doesn't sell? What if the product doesn't sell? What if the product, like, scared money doesn't make money, guys. Okay, it's just that simple. Right? If you're scared a product isn't going to sell, don't buy it. That's all I can tell you guys. Like, for me personally, like I said before, if you're an affiliate marketer, you know what it's like. We have to go and spend thousands of dollars on courses, and spending thousands on advertising and all this stuff, and we're not even guaranteed a goddamn dime. Right? Facebook, Amazon FBA does everything for you. All right, but I already made videos covering that stuff or whatever. The Walmart video will be out tomorrow. I don't know what happened, but for some reason, like, the video is like from my phone, and the camera and stuff isn't like linking up with the computer or whatever. So it is what it is. I actually got to get ready and run out, and I want to go pick up some more of those Royal filter things or whatever, see if they restocked them or got some more. Go pick all those up. If you find them in your area, guys, pick them up. If you find those filters right here, guys, I'm telling you, if you find these filters, guys, pick them up. Because if you don't, then I don't know. Like, if you can find them in your area, I would recommend picking them up. It's just a 3-pack. They're going for $3. Well, they were, at least in my area, they were going for $3. If you find them, then go ahead, scoop them up, send them in. They sell damn near all day long. I don't think you are. I think I was gated in them, and then I just applied and they ungated me. So if you're gated in them, just try applying. My account obviously isn't like super old or anything. Literally, it's like only a month in there. And as you guys can see, I'm not getting like 1,000,001 sales every single day or anything. So if they let me in, odds are they're going to let you in as well. But again, that's pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, be dropping down below.